In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display the bookmarks bar in the Google Chrome web browser. If you're someone who frequently saves web pages or your most visited sites for easy access, having the bookmarks bar are key. It's a very simple process, and I'll guide you through it from start to finish. To begin, open your Google Chrome browser. Once you've got Chrome open, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Do you see those three vertical dots? They're aligned neatly in the corner. Go ahead and click on them. This is your gateway to accessing a variety of settings and options within Chrome. Once you click, a drop-down menu will appear. As you scroll down, you'll notice an option labeled Bookmarks. Hover your cursor over this option, and a secondary menu will appear. From this new menu, you'll see an option titled Show Bookmarks Bar. If it's already checked, then your bookmarks bar should already be visible beneath your address bar. However, if it isn't checked, all you need to do is click on this option, and voila, the bookmarks bar will appear. It's that easy. For those of you who prefer shortcuts, there's an even quicker way to toggle the bookmarks bar. Simply press Ctrl, Shift, and B on your keyboard simultaneously, and this easy shortcut will show or hide the bookmarks bar instantly. Now that you have your bookmarks bar visible, you might be wondering how to make the most of it. All your saved bookmarks appear here, ready for you to click on and navigate to your favorite sites in an instant. If you decide to save a new page to your bookmarks bar, just click the star icon found at the right end of your address bar when you're on a web page you'd like to save. Make sure to choose Bookmarks Bar from the drop-down box that appears, and then click Done. Your new bookmark will now live comfortably on your bar for easy access whenever you need it. A quick tip: to organize your bookmarks, you can click and drag each one along the bar to your desired position, allowing you to arrange them by frequency of use or category. You can even create folders for a cleaner look. Just right-click on the bookmarks bar and select Add Folder. Once you've named your folder, simply drop your bookmarks into it. Remembering these steps will make your browsing experience much more efficient, as having easy access to all your favorite sites with just one click saves quite a bit of time and effort. With your now visible bookmarks bar, you'll enjoy swift and straightforward navigation through the vast web. Stay tuned for more handy tips and tricks in the next video. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.